Hi all, welcome to my channel. This is Vernice. Today I'm going to show you a house at Mutiara Home PJU7, 2.5 story, 5 room, 3 bath. It's freehold. 3 minutes walk to the curve or MRT. Gated, fully renovated and extended. You should really consider it and take a look. Here we go. There's a small garden area at the car porch. Entering the main entrance, you will see foyer with a long stretch of storage cabinet, living area with TV cabinet and display. Dining area is linked with kitchen. It's an open concept kitchen. It looks very spacious. You can get all the way the view from living area. Both sides of the kitchens has full heights of kitchen cabinets installed with microwave, oven, and also kitchen hook and hoop. The kitchen has designed with 2 windows which makes the kitchens look bright, a laundry area, solid surface tabletop. The whole design looks very clean and neat, easy to taking care. Owner has renovated the storeroom. Here's the powder room, also been renovated with ventilation fan. This the guest room or study room with full height of cabinet and hanging desk. You can work from home, comfort and cozy. There's a bed for you to rest. This room has extended. Here's the double volume ceiling for dining area. Stair with the wooden flooring. We are going to the first floor. Master bedroom can easily fit a super king size bed. The layout is simple, so easier for you to design. Owner has installed the soundproof window, full height wardrobes, it looks neat and easy to taking care. Also extended the master shower. They changed the WC to hanging and also a concealed water closet. You can close the sliding door to divide the layout of the master bedroom. Here's the third room. Owner has extended it. The renovation has added a ceiling height windows to each room. Bedroom number 4 also extended, and the link toilet has been renovated with full tiles. Now we are going to second floor. There's only 1 room at second floor. They have converted into a gym and for yoga area. Also soundproof windows installed. You can't really hear any sounds from outside. All the windows has been renovated and changed with the best quality glass. Now, let's have the beautiful playback of the house. I'm impressed with the material and design of the house, how the owner maintained it and enjoyed it. The windows thus make this intermediate house looks very bright and ventilated. Guess it's all for now. See you guys. Thanks for watching. For viewing and listening, please call the number here. See you in my next video.